Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on your PS4 or PS5. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you need to do and what are some things that are causing this issue are potentially unstable internet connection, outdated PS5 system software or Roblox app, cache or storage issues on the PS5, account sync problems, or Roblox server outages or maintenance. Now you can always type in Google Roblox server and click on the first link, and then it's going to tell you is it currently online or it's offline. As you can see at the moment, some are experiencing disruption, you might not, but as you can see, if it's working, it should be operational. But some other stuff is that you can do is to check system and app updates. So turn on your PS5, go to settings, system, software and software system update. It's the same for PS4, I believe. To clear cache, you need to turn off your PlayStation completely by unplugging the power cable for a few minutes, and then you need to plug it back on and turn on the console. To rebuild the database, you must turn off the PS, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. It's about 7 seconds. And then you want to reconnect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button, and then you have to select rebuild database from the save mode menu. Now to reinstall Roblox, you have to go to settings, storage, games and apps, find Roblox, select it and choose delete. Furthermore, you can navigate to the Play Store and search for Roblox and select download to reinstall the app. Then you want to adjust the video output and network settings on your PlayStation. So to do that, you have to go to settings, screen video, video output, then resolution to automatic and disable HDR. So you can see right over here. And to change the network settings, you must go to settings, network, setup internet connection. Furthermore, you must select your connection, press options and go to advanced settings and click on setup internet connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.